Hello and welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be sowing out some broad beans. Let's get started.
How do you master your skill?
Some people dream of good things. Very few people stay away and do it.
Okay, so these broad bean plants I sowed in about January so that they could fill the gaps of any broad beans that didn't come up in November. So all I'm doing here is removing the mulch and digging a little hole to get down to the compost underneath. As you can see, all of the roots are a little bit bunged up because I should have been sowing these out. And all you do is gently tease them apart, like I'm doing here, so that they aren't pot bound. And then I just squash it and firm it in and move the mulch back around the plant so that it has a lot of moisture trapped underneath it. I'll do another one about a trail's width away. And this is so that they can actually support each other, and I will eventually put up a string to keep them from flopping down when the beans start being supported. But this way is a fantastic way so that you don't have to support them their whole lives. So once again, just teasing out the roots and covering them up with the mulch. I repeat this for every single gap that I have in the bed of broad beans, and I normally get these because the mice come and eat the broad bean seed, but because it gives me such an early harvest, the gamble of sowing seeds in November really does pay off. And like I said, I'll go through, re-sow and put some of these little starts in. So I find it's a really fantastic way. Even if you lose a few plants more than if you sowed in the spring, you get such a quick harvest. It's now April and I already have the flowers on the broad beans, and they look like they're going to be producing broad beans particularly early this year. So for me, it's way worth doing that to fill the hungry gap. Thank you so much for joining me in the garden today. I really appreciate it. And please remember to like, share and subscribe if you like my channel. Thank you so much and have a lovely day. Bye bye.